Hey y'all. Okay, so I think that I found me a new lip color that I made up. So I got this Wet n Wild brown color. Don't know the color, but it's brown, dark brown. And what I'm gonna do is line my lips up. Look a little off when you line them up, but it's old school lip liner stuff. Line them, line them. Line them, line them. That look a lot off, so yeah. And then I have this Power of Love powerful color natural lipstick. It's by PH. This thing is off, like it didn't faded. PA Pacifica, possibly Pacifica, and this is how it looks here. Do that on the inside, all that. Kind of mix it as well. That's KK watching some type of cartoon. Like, why are you cursing? But, anyways. That's bad. This is so bad. My lips look way bigger, too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see me. Got my Fenty makeup on, too. Ain't tell me nothing. Check me out.